In today's video, let me show you how to fix YouTube age restriction error. Getting this error message within YouTube, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you need to ensure is that your birth date within your Google is sufficient. So what I mean by that is if you have a smaller age added in or a lower age added in within your Google account, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So in this situation, what you simply need to do is simply head over to Google, tap on the profile icon on the top right, head over to manage your Google account, and then head over to personal info. Within personal info, you should be able to see the option called birth date. You can simply opt your birth date so that this age restriction option is removed. So you can simply change your birth date from this section. If this first solution is not working out for you, then what you can try out is try to deactivate the YouTube's in-app restricted mode. So you can simply head over to YouTube, head over to your profile section, tap on the settings option, head over to general, and right here you should be able to see the option called restricted mode. If restricted mode is enabled on your device, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So make sure you toggle this option off and your issue should be solved. So these are the few things that you can try out. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.